navigating the hurdles and harnessing the prospects of Artemis Moon Mission. In the heart of NASA's vision lies the Artemis Moon Mission, a blend of challenges and opportunities. A hard climb, but with an incredible view. The primary challenge is the technological leap. NASA has to perfect landing technology, build sustainable habitats and develop lunar resources. Then, there's the issue of budget. Space missions aren't cheap. NASA requires billions of dollars to land the first woman and the next man on the moon. But the Artemis Moon Mission also presents remarkable opportunities. It's a chance to test new technologies and strategies for future Mars missions. Not to forget the economic opportunity in lunar resources. The moon's rich in helium-3, a potential game-changer in future energy generation. The Artemis mission strengthens international cooperation in space exploration. It encourages a joint pursuit of scientific knowledge and technological advancement. In conclusion, the Artemis Moon Mission is a daring leap into the future. A voyage filled with challenges, but more importantly, vast opportunities.